are so sore. These things are sore to the touch from yesterday. So what we're starting out here with is 5 sets with 2 minutes of rest of explosive 5 reps only push-ups, plyo push-ups, as far as you could thrust. I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of thrust going on. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's a chest exercise, but tries get involved, and my tries are shot. So, whew, hey, if you're doing it, and you did what I did yesterday, your tries should be killing you. I know mine are. If yours aren't, you the man, you the girl, you the whatever. Anyways, immediately following that, it's going to be the double bag stick bench. So it's going to be blast the plyo push-ups, 5 reps, maximum explosion, straight to max reps of the stick bench. That's what this thing's kicking off with, and that's what I'm about to get doing. Alright. Okay, so just as a little recap, the purpose on those plyo push-ups of the only 5 reps is because it's all about maximum explosion. So you're wanting maximum altitude off of it. And then this is just kind of a burner with it. 2 minutes rest. That's a pretty good long rest. So you should be fairly well recovered. Normally when you're doing plyo work and you're just focused on pure explosion, you want to take like 3 to 5 minutes of rest. But we're kind of going like hybrid here. So I'm going to do the rest of these sets. I'll see you on the next exercise. Fill you in on that. So see you guys then. You doing all right? Because let me tell you, chest, sore. That got a good pump, let me tell you. All right. What we are about to be ripping off into now, and this is basically just putting the finishing touches on a tore down chest, is 2 sets of dips with max reps and only 1 minute rest. So we're staying on the muscle. We're just annihilating this guy. It's going to be blast that chest. And I'm telling you, pump is in there. So let's get it. Good shit. That's all I can say. Good shit. All right. See you guys on the next thing. Okay. We've blasted that chest. Now it is time to rock this back. And we're kicking this bad boy off with 3 sets with 2 minutes rest of what's a triple drop here. We're going to be hitting double bag, as many as you can get pull-ups. Drop down, drop one of those bags, as many as you can get with the single bag. Drop down, drop that guy, as many as you can get with no bags, and that's 1. 2 minutes rest, do that whole thing 2 more times, and that's what we're doing. Time to rock that back, baby. All right. All right. Back's pretty well shot after that. I mean, I am definitely feeling it. I don't know how you guys are on that, but man. So, we've got 2 sets here with a minute and a half rest of double bag single arm rows. And it's like croc style row. So, body English, all that, just max reps, get it. Back's pretty good. Back's pretty good already, but back could always be better. So with that said, time to get rocking. Oh, man. All right, big boy back. Big boy back. See, back to pressing type exercise. This is going to be 3 sets with a minute and a half of double bag stick overhead presses. And if you guys noticed, we started out with chest on like a bench pressing type movement with the plyo push-ups and the bench and all that. So it was blasting the chest, pressing. Then we went to that heavy pulling and pulling to nail the back. Now we're transitioning over to chest, starting off with like the front delts, and then we'll be moving on to an exercise that's going to mainly focus the traps, because as you guys know, I got to do some work on them guys. So, but it's also going to have some also overswing, whatever, not the right wordage. But anyways, you guys know what I'm saying. It's going to also have some extra work on the outer delts also a little bit. If you do a wider grip, it would be more, but this is going to be a narrow grip, so it's going to do more of the trap, and that's what's going to be following this. So, I just got long-winded. You know, when you're in the midst of it, you kind of just bleh sometimes. Anyways, see you guys after I get done with this one and nail out the rest of these sets. Oh man. All right. I know, you guys know, I'm a little bit overly excited when it comes to traps, and I was already babbling about it right before kicking off that last exercise. So now to what I was already getting into before the last exercise, which is, this is going to be narrow grip upright rows. So by it being narrow grip, it's going to put more emphasis on the traps than it will the outer delts, like it would if you did a wider grip. But I'm trying to focus more on the traps, so I'm coming in narrower and hitting it. And then straight from there, it's going to shrugs with the stick coming across in front of the body, and then shrugs with the stick coming across behind the body. Max repping on everything, 2 minutes rest. So it's going to be those 3 exercises hit together, bang, 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 bang. 2 minutes, bang, 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 bang. 2 minutes, bang, 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 bang. 2 minutes. Done with those. So I'm getting at it. There are ways to make those guys grow now. Oh, one thing I left out, when you're doing those double bag stick exercises like that, and you're doing something narrow grip, make sure that you slide the 2 bags in narrower before you grab it. Otherwise, you'll snap the stick. You don't want to be that guy. Don't be that guy. So, with that said, see you when this is all done. On to the next thing. Ladies, gentlemen, fellas, women, and everything in between. It has been a serious workout. We're on the last thing. That last thing is 50 sit-ups. Get it done as fast as you can get it done. Blast through that guy. While I'm doing it, I will have the workout pop up so you could screenshot it and have the exact workout. I'm getting to it. My tries are still sore as hell. I'm on it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you guys later.